In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all Google Drive files at once, so follow along and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So first you need to head over to Google Drive, and once you're here you'll be able to see all of your files and folders. Now if you've got a lot here, you can go ahead and select them by clicking on one and then holding Control and selecting them. But if you've got a lot of files, that might take quite long and it's not really efficient. The easiest way that you can download all files is by going to Google, and then if you go to your Google account in the top right hand corner, then click Manage Your Google Account, it will then take you into this window where you can then search for download. Now once you've done that, click on Download Your Data, and then that will take you here to Google Takeout, and all you need to do here is select Google Drive, right? So by default everything will be selected. You just want to go ahead and deselect all, so now you've got 0 out of 56 selected. Now just scroll down and find Drive. So just keep going until you find Drive and then go ahead and check that. Make sure that all Drive data and multiple formats are checked. Then you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Then that's going to ask you how you want to receive these files. I always choose Send Download Link via email, so we'll just run with that. File type, I'll keep it on .zip, and I'll change the file type to 10 gigabytes. So if you have a lot of data here, it's going to split your files into multiple files, but that's okay on my end. Once you're happy with them settings, you can create the export, and then it's going to start to export your files. Now it's important to note that even though you can select all of your Google Drive, if you have a lot of data on that Google Drive, it can take between several minutes to several days to download that. So you can see the export for this data will start on the 22nd of March, which is in 2 days from now. I assume this is to limit the Google services so everyone doesn't download mass data at once. That's the only real explanation I could figure out for that. But that's how you can export it. If you have less data, it will probably do it instantly or within a couple of hours. I hope that quick video did help you out.